Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see oh god. As you can see on the top of my head, I've got one of uh, oh, oh. Whoa. Hang on. Stay on the. Have we got it? Have we got it? Have we? It's gonna fall again. That's not. It's not going to work. One, two, one. I can't say the words. One and two, one and two. Can't say the words. Well, say. Ah, ah. Stay. It won't stay on top of my head. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, as you can see, perched on the top of my head, I have a Japanese puzzle box, which I'm going to attempt to solve with logic. Hence the fact that it's perched on top of my head promotes, excuse me, promotes the suggestion that I'm going to try and use my brain to solve it, which is the whole point of the exercise. I did it! The one take that it didn't fall off my head. Yahoo! Okay. So, what I'm going to do now is attempt to solve the Japanese puzzle box. So, have a look at this. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, my wife got this for a birthday present from her sister. It's a Chinese puzzle box. Oh, is it Chinese or Japanese puzzle box? One of the two. A puzzle box, nevertheless. You ever tried to solve one of these? Apparently, it's a bit like trying to solve the Rubik's Cube. There's logic to it. You just got to do it. Persevere, I guess, determination, etc., etc. So let's have a go. I think it's made of. Is it? I'm not sure what it's actually made of. A wood of some sort, maybe, I don't know, balsa wood or something like that. Quite an elegant design, I suppose. Anyway, apparently you're supposed to. There's the sequence to all these, so I'm going to prod and push and pull and grip and whatever it takes to try and get some sort of solution. Hope you're all well. Hope you all have had a good couple of days. If you're a fan of the Lionesses, what a match! What a match! They're in the final with Spain. You know what was a lot of fun actually. What was watching? Oh, I got something. Not a lot, but I got something. Those shorts that I think they put on TikTok or whatever, of them celebrating in the dressing room, to I think it was Gala, wasn't it? The name of the song. And I think I heard Sweet Caroline played on the pitch as well. That's their signature tune. Apart from It's Coming Home, It's Coming Home. Well, let's hope it does come home again. There's a, I don't know whether you saw the headline of Serena Wiegman. What was it? Uh, FA says that she's not for sale at any price. I've got another bit of movement by the way. There you go. 2. Only 19 to go. Reminded me of the film Gremlins. Mogwai not for sale at any price. With Mogwai comes big responsibility, or something like that. Remember from Gremlins? Well, things are sliding millimeters, but nothing's happening. Nothing seems to be forcing itself. Somebody out there is currently screaming the answer at me, I bet. Oh, I've got a 4. There we are. 4. That's it. What was it? This is tricky. Something clicked. I don't want to force it because I don't want to break it, obviously. But something clicked that. I was trying to figure out if any of these panels do anything or slide. No. Yeah, that's something. I count 9 there. 1, 2. I did 2 of those and 2 so that's 9 so far out of 21 movements. God's sake. That's 10. That moved a little bit. Just keep prodding and something happened. Or did it? Was that just my imagination? And something's happened. Bottom one. Talk amongst yourselves. Does that slide? Tiny bit. I'm not getting very far. So, right, I'm 13 up to there and nothing's happened. That's it. I'm running out of ideas. That's the only thing with these puzzles, isn't it? No matter what you try and do. Maybe if I pull that. Oh, hang on. Something's happened there. I didn't. I just pulled that tab down and it moved. So that's another one. Still, you can't even see it inside. Stiff. All right, we got a little bit of movement. I can barely get my fingers in there. I don't want to break anything. Right. Well, I'm up to 16 and nothing's happened. Nothing. Any ideas? Oops. Right. 17, but I can barely get my finger in there. That's it. What do I have for lunch? Food. What sort of food? Edible food. Right. Another one. Another teeny tiny movement. I'm really running out of ideas. Okay. Well, that tab doesn't do anything apart from go back and forth. Oh, way up. I've got another movement there. Is that 19 or 20? I don't know. Hang on, there's a gap. That can't be as simple as that. There. Yay! I've done it. I think I'm going to run around there. Look. Look. If I bolted out to, I'd run naked through the street now. Look. Look. I think he's happy. I think he's a bit chuffed that he's just completed that puzzle. Yeah. Ah, did it? Well done, sir. Well done, sir. Cool. Excuse me. Oh dear. Did it? Okay, well, that's taken a lot of energy to figure that out, but I did it. Right. So that was the puzzle box, and I did it. I did it! Yay! Can't believe I did it, but I did it. Right. So that's going to be it for this particular video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. Please like. The more the merrier. If you've bought one of these and you've done yours, tell me about your reaction, or show me your reaction, even better. Was mine a good reaction, or a funny reaction, a crazy reaction, a reaction of pure insanity? A reaction, nevertheless. So, from me, your host, Richard, from this puzzle box, which I've nicknamed Bruce. So from Bruce and me, have a great day, everyone. I'll see you. I'll see you.